Hi, Stacy. This is Gary. I'm going to go over this our Mel automated trading system here for you. So hopefully you can put this into words. So basically, what happens when people subscribe to us, they get to look at actually a live screen chart of our system. So they're logging in, they click on a live chart screen, and they're looking at the same exact thing that you're looking at right now. So our core of this system is is our MEL system, and when it's green, basically traders want to be buying the market because institutions are buying it. So this is all based off of what institutions are doing. So if there's large block buying, or the tick is up, or the internals of the market are positive, this is going to turn green. And when it's green, you can see that this is the spiders right here. I don't know if you know anything about trading, but it's the S&P 500. You can see that this went up, and traders would be looking long. We also give buy and sell signals on here. You can see these arrows popping up, when to buy and when to sell. And this is just our trend indicator. So when the green is above the red, you want to be looking to buy the market. When it's below, you want to be selling the market. So we basically have all of this stuff on one screen, and this is say the nuts and bolts of the MEL system, where it's all color coded. So we have our MEL, and then these are just other indicators that are typically anybody can get anywhere. And what it would look like if it wasn't all in there, hang on one second, I will show you the chart. These are all those indicators. So here's the MACD, here's the CCI, here's our advancing declining, and here's the MEL. So you would all have to have them on these different levels here. But not only that, this is just a 5-minute chart. So if you want to turn around and see what it's doing on a 15-minute chart, you have to then click it, see what everything is going on a 15-minute chart. If you wanted to go to a longer one, you have to, again, just keep changing it. Now, what our system does, or our software does, it combines everything together into one box. So this is our watch list right here. And what it does, it shows traders what's going on a 5-minute chart, a 10-minute chart, 20, and then a daily. So instead of having to flip through all the charts, they can just take a peek over here, and it's going to tell them what they want to be doing, whether they want to be buying or selling the market. And again, this is following what the institutions are doing. So on a 5-minute basis, we can tell that the institutions are buying. They're buying on a 10-minute basis, 20-minute they're selling, and a daily they're selling. So it shows traders on a longer and a shorter time frame whether they should be, if they're going to follow the institutions, what they should be doing. And institutions are the ones that lead this market up and down. And this algorithm that we've created actually tracks what they're doing. And through that, our systems give traders ways to be able to trade this market every single day and just make a ton of money, because they're following exactly what institutions are doing. So this right here is our watch list, and what we can do from it, these are the 4, say, leading stocks that trade with the Qs right here. So traders can then look and see what kind of status they're in. Are institutions buying on a longer term, on a shorter term? And if you see these 4 actually moving up or are green, and the Qs are red, you want to actually be looking to buy the Qs. And this is all the stuff that we go through in our trading room. And this is our trading room right here, where you can see traders just come in, and what we do is give all different types of trade recommendations throughout the day. And we kind of, what happens is instead of making somebody having to make a trade on their own, there's that old saying that, 2 brains are better than one. Well, we have a room full of traders that are very good, all looking at this same exact screen right here and basing trades off of each other. So that instead of just one person making a trade based on what they think is going to happen, they can go and throw it out in a room asking, what do you think about shorting the spiders here? And then other people converge back and forth with them, all basing this off of the MEL system. So on this, the biggest part of this is they get to see the different time frames as far as what's going on with the spiders, and or whatever they're trading on it. And then they can see here the different time frames as far as where these indicators are. and just wait for our buy and sell signals that pop up on the screen. And again, they're going to be following institutions, and here it's showing you the breadth is short. So the breadth has to do with the internals or what institutions are doing. And here you can see it's telling you want to be looking on the short side, but on the 10-minute chart, it's saying looking on the buy side. So this would tell us that expect a little bit of a pullback, but most likely we're going to head back up again. So hopefully this helps you out with what we do, and you'll be able to put up something perfect for us so we can get as many subscribers as we can. So have a great weekend, and I'm looking forward to your work. Take care, Stace.